I'm showing you how to or how do I remove rust from bolts and nuts. You can see how much rust on this. This is too rusty. You could use media plast, sandblast, whatever, but there's an easy way if you don't have any of this. I use this. I'm not associated or I'm not getting paid by prep&Etch. You could use this from Home Depot. It's like $10 a gallon. You can. That's what I use for a quick rust remover. If it's too much rust on it, it's like it's piling up. It's good to brush it first. You could use a wheel brush here. Brush it first. Take as much as you can off, and then soak these for like probably 20 minutes to 1 hour. And I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen after this is getting soaked. I'm gonna soak it here. You can reuse whatever amount you used. I'm gonna put these here. I didn't brush them or anything. I'm just gonna leave them the way they are. I'm just gonna cover them here. Just turn the light on. Okay. I'm gonna leave them sitting for like 15, maybe 20 minutes. Just make sure doesn't touch your skin. It's harmful. Make sure you read all the precautions and instruction on this. This is an old gallon I have. Just make sure you read all the instruction. Make sure it doesn't come close to your skin. I'm wearing gloves, and here it's soaking. I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes and see what they look like. This is 10 minutes later. You could see the difference. Of course, if you sand it with a wheel brush, will be much better. But just get an idea. Test it every 15-20 minutes. Sometimes you have to leave it maybe for like half hour, depends on how heavy the rust is. But just do a test. Don't leave it overnight. Make sure you leave it overnight. It will eat the metal. It will eat it. It's very strong. I'm not recommending this product. It could be there's a different. You could see the difference here. Okay. There are many other products, but this is the one I've been using. It works fine. Again, I'm not recommending one thing or another, but this is what works for me. prep&Etch, and I'm not doing any advertisement for them. I'm not getting paid. I'm just letting you know this is what it works. Make sure this doesn't touch your skin. It's very powerful, nasty. After you take this off here, you could make sure you wash it with water. I'm gonna come back after 10 more minutes and see what the final result is. Okay, this is just work by soaking it. Again, brush it with a wheel brush, wheel grinder with a brush. It will give you a better result. I'll come back in 10 more minutes and we'll give you the final result. That's about 7 minutes later. You probably have to leave it, like I said, half hour, but just for the video I'm trying to go through it a little bit fast. I'm gonna strain this back, put this one back in the container. And I'm gonna wash I'm gonna wash these bolts and nuts. I'll be back. So they've been washed in water. Let's see the difference. You could rewind the video and see the difference between before and after. Some of those nuts, they should have been sanded or brushed with the wire brush. Okay, you can see the difference. This is as well. If there is more rust, you could leave it a little bit longer. 10 more minutes and 15-20 minutes more, it will take care of everything. This was really rusty. It turned a little bit black, but clean. There's no rust on it. Okay. So that's very much it. Nice and clean. Alright, just make sure this doesn't come on your skin. It's really nasty on the skin. Wear gloves. Read all the precautions on this container. Probably there is other different brand that's better than this or less quality than this. I'm not sure. This is what I use. That's how it works. You could try it. And if you have a sanded blaster, probably you don't need to do this. But this is an easy way if you don't have a sanded blaster. Thank you for watching.